So now we're going to be looking at the key break-off structure. So what does the key break-off structure tell us? The key break-off structure is just a sign the market is begging you, is telling you, please, bro, look for an opportunity because I'm ready to go. That's what the key break-off structure is telling us. So once you identify a key break-off structure occurring in the market, just get ready to look for opportunities. Be ready to look for a trade. So for example, right here, um, hold on a moment. Now let's look at this. Let's just look at this right here. What is this? This is a support. We see the next candle right here. The next candle right here. Then after we've identified the next candle, what are we looking for? We are looking for a break of structure occurring what at the 4-hour time frame. So what can you see right here? You can see that we have this first breakout structure, which is a fake breakout structure. This is telling you that now the market is starting to push to the upside, but you're not. It's like it's a confirmation telling you that the market is ready to start pushing to the upside, but there's no opportunity for you to enter right now. So there's nothing that we can do for now. Then now you see something like this. Now you see a key break-off structure. Sometimes they do okay in the substructure like this, a key break-off structure. It's not high probability, but it does occur. So once you see the key break-off structure, the key break-off structure is telling you that you should identify a key level. So example right here, you should identify a key level that is just below right here. Look for some buys going to the upside from there. So basically, the key breakout structure is just telling you the simplest thing. So right here, another example. Looking at the daily time frame, we do have like this resistance right here that was rejected with this next candle right here. So next candle, daily reject the daily. Then here we see another next candle. We see the daily reject the daily again. So we go to our H1 time frame. So what can we identify right here? In the daily time frame for sell opportunities for a bearish CSL confirmed storyline, what are we looking at? So how do we confirm a storyline? Confirmed storyline is going to be something like this. Here we do have a fake breakout structure. This is not a confirmed storyline. This storyline that is occurring right now is a good storyline, but it's not yet confirmed until we see a key breakout structure just like this. Key breakout structure, this is now a confirmed storyline. So once you see a key breakout structure, then this is a confirmed storyline. So something like this now, we're going to be looking for sell opportunities. So one leg, you're going to be looking for sell opportunities, but we still have like what? We're still rejecting from the daily right here. So what are we waiting for? We're waiting to see a breakout structure occurring. So here we now have a what? A bullish storyline occurring. But do we have a confirmed storyline? No. We now have a confirmed storyline from here. With this confirmed storyline, you can even start looking for your trades and so forth, buy trades and so forth. Now, looking at what do we have right here now? So there was nothing right here, but now we saw the market selling from there to the downside. Okay, so let's look for another storyline. So we see the what? Now we see the daily, reject that daily right here. What do? We wait for a breakout structure to occur. Breakout structure to occur. So we had the Fed, you see? So this was a breakout structure. You see why is it important to look for the key breakout structure? Look at this. We had the fake breakout structure, then the market continued to shoot to the downside. Also, we are also trapping SNL traders. Just that's one thing that you should understand. We're not only trapping like algo traders, also SNL traders, because they could have looked at this right here and said that, okay, this is what, this is a breakout structure right here. I should be looking for buy opportunities and so forth. But as you can see, the market trap right there continued to push to the downside. So now the storyline is what? So we do not have like a clear storyline for now. But here we can see that we are rejecting the daily. So the daily is rejecting the daily right now. So what are we looking for right now? So we are looking for a what? We're going to be looking for a fake record structure that occurred right here, but we do not have a key record structure. Now we do have a key record structure. Key record structure is, this is now a what? A confirmed storyline. So this is now a confirmed storyline. So you can even start looking for your buy opportunities. But as you can see here, the market failed to buy right then. So do we see anything here at the daily time frame? So again here, it trapped. So keep record structure. Look at this. So keep record structure, endorsement. The market was telling us that it was ready. So we were going to be looking to buy at least at the structural liquidity after it has been swept, or below after this inducement has been swept. So you can even go to a 4-hour time frame and identify a level that is close in proximity, which is this one right here. So you could have actually capitalized on these buy opportunities to the upside. So right there, we are still looking for buys until the market reaches another daily key level, just like this one right here. We see the next candle, we see like the next candle right there. Then you go to the daily, you go to the H1 time frame, we look for a breakout structure. So what do we have? We have the fake breakout structure, we do have the key breakout structure. So telling us that we should actually start looking for selling opportunities. Selling opportunities. So in this whole leg, after I've identified the fake breakout structure right here, the fake breakout structure, identify the key breakout structure, and as you can see, still the same thing looking at algo, because you'll see that after the key breakout structure, there is usually a huge momentum being presented in the market. So from there, you're going to be looking for your opportunities. Then again here, what do we have? We do have the support being created right here. So we're still in a what? We're still in a bearish storyline from here. But now what are we looking for? We're looking for a breakout structure to occur. So we're only looking for a bullish breakout structure to occur. So after we see this bullish breakout structure, step away from the market. The market is now in a what? Is now in a bullish storyline, but it's not yet confirmed. It's not yet confirmed. So once you see the key breakout structure, then the storyline is now confirmed, just like that right here. Then here, could have actually used this, then identify the one that is close in proximity. So just like round about here or here, you could have been looking for buy opportunities to the upside. So as you can see here, the market bought from here to the upside. So until the market reaches another daily time frame key level, then the market gives us a reaction, like just like this one right here. The storyline is going to be bullish. Then here, what are we looking for? So we're going to be looking for a fake breakout structure first. Fake breakout structure, key breakout structure. Now the storyline is now what? Bearish. But now you're going to stop looking for any buy trades at this fake breakout structure right here. Fake breakout structure, this is when you're going to stop looking for any buy trades. So from there now, once you see the key breakout structure, the market is begging you, start looking for sell opportunities. If you find them, you find them. If you miss them, you miss them. Going to find another opportunity next time. And this type of trading, it needs you to exercise patience, so you need to be very, very, very patient. So from there, you're looking for sells, 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 sells to the downside. So clearly looking for some sells. So here you could have used this endorsement. Then here you could have identified this as a resistance. So just something like this. Definitely you will see some sell opportunities. Then now what do we see? We see the market giving us what? here. So we're still looking for sales from there. But now, as you can see, the storyline change roundabout at this point right there. So we're going to be looking for what? Buy opportunities to the upside. So we're going to be waiting for a fake break of structure, key break of structure, then we start looking for a trade. So you can see, so we could have actually even capitalized on these buys right here going to the upside. You see, so it's very, very, very simple. That's how you identified a confirmed. That's how you identify a confirmed storyline, CSL. So if you see me writing CSL, just know that this is a confirmed storyline. I've identified the fake. I have identified the next candle. I've identified the fake break of structure, and I've identified the key break of structure.